First, install Java by sudo apt install default JRE. Head over to Minecraft.net server webpage and first download the file and paste the file to your folder using FileZilla or any apps alike. Now having the file on VPS, you can copy this command. If you want to change the version, you can change it here. Now execute the command. Because file was called server.jr, I will rename it. The command, of course. And launching the server first time will always occur in error called failed to load EULA txt. Now what you can do here is that if you check the directory files, you can see there is EULA txt and the server files. So in order to agree to EULA, you can use sudo nano EULA txt. And here you can change the EULA to true. And you can run the server command once again and it will work. You can see it's preparing Word. And it's done. So now I can head over to Minecraft and paste my VPS IP. And as you can see, this server is online, so I can join it and failed to verify username. Why? Because I didn't set up online mode to false. So I'm gonna do it once again. So I have to change server properties, scroll down and find online mode to false. Basically what it means that it is non-premium. I will also change mod to kocykek. I think that's the server thingy message name, you know. And I will start the server once again. And it's done once again, so I'm gonna refresh it. And boom, there is my nickname. And now I can join it. So yeah, as you can see, my server is kinda slowly running, but it's because my VPS is just not that strong. My VPS only has 1 GB of RAM, so yeah, that's the thing. It can't really load that many things at once. You can execute the server commands in here now. Once you executed the script and server is running, for example, I can op myself. And I am a server operator, so I can set my game mode to creative. And I can fly. That was it. Thank you for watching.